Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Victorinox Swiss Army Women's INOX Stainless Steel Swiss-quartz Rubber Strap, Black, 18 Casual Watch. Swiss-made 37mm rose gold PVD watch featuring black dial and black rubber strap with buckle closure. The highest quality standards for ultimate functionality. Swiss-quartz Movement. Case diameter, 37mm. Water-resistant 200 meters 660 feet. In general, suitable for professional marine activity and serious surface water sports, but not diving.